It does. Oh, no lie here. Oh, wow. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chewy Juliet, and today I'll be showing you my deep conditioning routine with twists, and I'll be doing a product review. So it's not a widely known product. It is one of those products that you find in your beauty supply store, and my mom got this from Germany like a few months ago, so she's been raving about it, like, oh, it's really good, she wants me to try it on my hair. And I thought, oh, okay, why not show it on camera. So the thing is, everything is in Dutch though. So everything is pretty much written in Dutch. So with my brain, I could already tell that it is a turban hair mask. So it's a turban that is a hair mask, which is pretty cool. And it is a turban coconut hair mask actually. So anyway, so how to use it? It says I should place the mask on washed towel dried hair. Perfect. And fix the adhesive slur. What kind of translation is this? In case of thicker hair before putting on the mask. Okay, so there's something called an adhesive slur, and I have to fix it because obviously I have a thicker hair, and it's supposed to last for 20 to 25 minutes, which is good. And remove the hair mask and rinse hair thoroughly with warm water. Okay, that's fine then. Then, okay, I can only use this once, and part of the ingredient list is obviously water, which is perfect as the first ingredient, etc. Alcohol, hydrogenated olive oil, then we have hydrogenated castor oil, and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, so let's go right into tutorial. Okay, so the product is actually called Isana, just in case someone wants to purchase this, but it does say on the package that this is limited edition, and my mom did get this 2 months ago, so yeah, I'm not sure. You could just find it in Germany. I don't know if you can find it in the UK or in Nigeria, don't ask me. But yeah, I just thought I should do this on camera because it is a turban hair mask, which is not something we see regularly, and which is pretty cool. And obviously I need to show you all that there are products like this that exist for hair. So even if it's not made particularly for our hair types, I think that this sort of product will be great for our hair types, our 4C hair type. So okay, so I'm going ahead to open it now, and okay, so this is all that's in it. This is all that's in it. Okay, just gonna move back a bit. Okay, all right. Okay, oh, okay. So it's like you can open it up here and then chuck all your hair in. But what does this do? So it's like the conditioner is inside the hair mask. So it's like a shower cap and conditioner in one. According to the images at the back of the product, it says to rub it on my hair first before putting the hair mask on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just like coat my twists with some of the Luscious products on it, and just come closer so you can see what's going on. So obviously coat my ends, which are the most vulnerable parts of my hair, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. And I'm just going to go in and do that first before actually wearing the turban. Okay, so now I'm going to put the turban on. Pretty cool! And I'm going to tuck my hair in. Okay, so everything is all secured now, and I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with this one. I don't know where this is supposed to go. Dang it. But I think I'm supposed to take it off like a sticker. Yes! Yes! I got a brain and I'm going to wrap it like this so it sticks. Awesome! No, it's not sticking. I've got thick hair, as it said, yeah. It says I should make sure to do this first. Oh, dang it. Should I stick it to me or the bag? Is it to my skin or to the bag? I'm not sure. Anyway, I can just quickly just do this instead. It's not sticking. And tuck it in. So it's like deep conditioning without having to add anything else. I know! It's pretty cool. Okay, so I don't need any shower cap, obviously. I just need to leave this in for 20 to 25 minutes and I'll be back. And I'm pretty excited about this because I haven't seen any product in the market that's like this. So yeah. I'll be right back 25 minutes from now and setting the timer on my Fitbit. Timer countdown 25 minutes. 25 minutes. So yeah, I'll be right back. So time for the big reveal. It's been 25 minutes, well, more than 25 minutes. I got carried away. So I am going to take this off and it felt quite hot at some point, like something was penetrating into my hair, which I felt was a good feeling. So I'm hopeful. So we're gonna take this down now. Okay. Oh my gosh, my hair actually feels really soft. I'm just gonna zoom in. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. I just felt here, like the center of my head feels amazing. Oh wow. Okay. It feels really, really soft. This mask, I need to find where I can get more from. I need to find where I can buy this. Oh gosh, it feels so good and it's so quick and so handy and I don't have to worry about like putting the plastic bag over my head because it's already wrapped, and I don't have to worry about putting an extra conditioner because the conditioner is already on the wrap. And I actually absolutely love it. It's amazing. My hands feel smooth. It feels really super soft and silky. You know I love silky. I love silky and this is silky. Can you see how my hand is just gliding through and my hair swallowed everything. My natural hair swallowed every single thing. Oh wow, this is amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out now. I wish I could leave it in, but I don't think I can because of the mask. So I'm going to rinse it out now and proceed to styling. So yeah, so this is my deep conditioning routine. Well, this is a product review featuring my deep conditioning routine in Twist, and as you can see, like, well, you can't see that my hair is soft, but my hair feels really soft and it's all penetrated into every single twist from the roots to the strands. And yeah, this stuff is the bomb.com. So I'm going to just scrape off anything that's left and apply it. I don't know if I can reuse the bag because it's quite sturdy, it's really strong. And I don't know if I could rinse it out and use the bag as probably just a shower cap or something. We'll see how it goes. I'm just scraping off any extra mask that's left so I can put on my edges just right before I rinse it out. Just putting all over the perimeter of my hair and also focusing on the ends of my hair as well. So yeah, so we're going to move on to rinsing it out soon, and I'll come back when it's all rinsed out. So I'm just going to give you a 360 view now. I can't stop touching my hair. It really feels good. It does. It does. Oh, no lie here. Oh, wow. No lie at all. Oh, wow. Okay. My hair feels completely moisturized, feels completely hydrated. It just feels so good. So good. Okay, I'm going to rinse it off to see if that feeling still stays or if the feeling is just coating my strands and did not penetrate. So let's see. So I'm back. So hi lovely. So I am back and my hair is dry in an old, well not really old, kind of new t-shirts. But yeah. And I'm just gonna take this off. So it's all rinsed out. What's going on? So my hair is all rinsed out now. Moment of truth, because my hair is still soft, but my hands are soft, so I hope I don't misjudge it because my hands are soft. And it's kind of soft, but not as soft as when the mask was on. It still feels hydrated, it still feels moisturized, but it's not like it needs extra moisture. It feels like it doesn't feel as soft actually. Yeah, it doesn't feel as soft. But yeah, I still do like the product. I still will recommend the product. I myself have to find out where I can get it from. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this product review / deep conditioning tutorial in twists. And I hope that deep conditioning in twist is kind of demystified right now. If you still have questions and if you still want to see the actual rinsing process, I'm going to have to work on that. But I hope this tutorial was kind of good enough to show what my deep conditioning routine looks like in twist and how I don't have any build up within the twist, because people always ask, are the products properly rinsed out, or rather do the product get trapped? Like, do the deep conditioning product get trapped within the twist? And no, they don't, because like I'm showing you right now, my hair is completely clean. There is no deep conditioner trapped inside. And same goes for all the twists and the back as well. There's nothing trapped within it. So yes, so this is my routine, and you don't have to untwist and retwist after you shampoo. You could just go directly to deep conditioning with your twist in. So yeah, so I am going to move on to moisturizing, and obviously when I do moisturize, I moisturize by loosening the twist. That's the only other time I loosen the twist. So with my deep conditioning routine, I detangle first, apply my pre-poo treatment, and then I twist. So my hair remains twisted until I need to moisturize. So that is after shampooing and after deep conditioning, and when I need to moisturize, that's the only time I unravel the twist. I only unravel the twist right now just to show you guys that my hair still remains as clean and I don't need to unravel at any point during washing. So yes, I'm moving on to styling now, and I'll show you all my twist out routine in my next video. So thank you all so much for watching. This always just makes me laugh. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up, take a funny screenshot, and don't forget to, you can always find more information on my website, Igbocurls.com, and you can always reach me via email. Even if I don't reply as soon as possible, I will reply, and I'll be talking so much. And also click on the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can always get a notification whenever I upload. So thank you all so much again for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.